Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Dawn. Dawn means first light. For example, the rose-pink light of dawn. The rose-pink light of dawn. Synonyms: daybreak, break of day, crack of dawn.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Rise free from care before the dawn, and seek adventures. Now, repeat after me. Rise free from care before the dawn, and seek adventures. The second exemplar. She wakes up in those dawns and rises with the sun. Now, repeat after me. She wakes up in those dawns and rises with the sun. The third exemplar. All observations of mating behavior commenced at the beginning of this dawn period. Now, repeat after me. All observations of mating behavior commenced at the beginning of this dawn period.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The original name for butterfly was flutterbee.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.